To troubleshoot, log in to Banco Sabadell personal loan. Start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection and the latest version of your web browser or mobile app. Next, verify that you are using the correct login credentials, including your username and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password option and follow the prompts to reset it. Check that your account is active and not blocked due to multiple incorrect login attempts. If your account is blocked, contact Banco Sabadell customer service to have it unblocked. Also, ensure that your device is not blocking cookies or JavaScript, as these are required for the login process to work correctly. If you are still having trouble, try clearing your browser cache and cookies, or try logging in from a different device or browser. This can help identify if the issue is specific to your device or browser. Additionally, check for any maintenance or outage notifications on the Banco Sabadell website or social media channels, as this may be causing the login issue. For added security, make sure you are logging in from the official Banco Sabadell website or mobile app, and not from a phishing site. Look for the padlock symbol in the address bar and ensure the URL starts with HTTPS to confirm you are on a secure connection. If you continue to experience issues, contact Banco Sabadell customer service for further assistance. They can provide additional troubleshooting steps and help resolve any issues with your personal loan account.